Visit our previous story on the DP Gachagua impeachment. 5 cases challenging the impeachment of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua have been forwarded to the Chief Justice for the appointment of a 3-judge bench. Justice Lawrence Mugambi agreed with submissions from the petitioner that the suits raised weighty issues of great public interest that needed to be heard and determined by more than one judge.
With the clock ticking down to Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's date with destiny at the Senate on Wednesday next week, his legal team was raking up small wins in the corridors of justice. 5 cases challenging his ouster will now be heard by a multi-judge bench.
Despite stiff opposition by the respondents, it is my considered opinion that these petitions raise weighty constitutional questions that fall under Article 163, B and D2. Hence, I am persuaded to refer them to the Chief Justice for empanelment of a bench.
The petitioners are challenging the impeachment on a number of grounds, including questioning the adequacy and meaningfulness of the public participation conducted over a period of 2 days.
Of 7 days to carry out the entire process was cited as having an inhibiting effect on carrying out adequate and meaningful public participation. The failure by the standing orders to integrate or provide for any mechanism for public participation and or a framework to credibly authenticate the outcome of public participation process were some of the issues that the petitioners raised.
The petitioners were also asking the courts to consider whether the Deputy President was disadvantaged by not being allowed to answer to the allegations leveled against him before the same was subjected to public participation. Aside from this, the petitioners also took issue with the composition of the August House in relation to the fulfillment of the 2/3 gender rule. The judge, in moving the petitions to the desk of the Chief Justice, noted the groundbreaking implication of the processes of removing a sitting Deputy President from office.
Considering the immense public interest that this matter has generated, and being the first of its kind in Kenya where the Deputy President of the Republic is being removed by process of impeachment, it is my considered opinion that this matter deserves the input of a bench so as to pronounce itself on the process that is constitutionally compliant to serve as a benchmark for future undertakings of this.
The judge, however, declined to forward the files before him on the petitions challenging the impeachment of Gachagua for consolidation with other similar cases. A total of 22 cases are pending before different courts across the country. The National Assembly voted to impeach the Deputy President, and this decision was referred to the Senate for debate next week. That debate is scheduled to take place on Wednesday, with the Senate hearing the case against the Deputy President, while the besieged DP will defend himself and answer to senators' questions on Thursday before a vote is taken to determine whether Rigathi Gachagua will survive the bid to remove him or not. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.
Now,